Y'all, today's cruise is gonna be a little different because look at this. Woo, this is where we're starting off at. Look at this. Let me hop in. Woo! What are you talking about? We're starting out the video a little bit differently. We're in the back of a Rolls-Royce Cullinan featuring our friend Mr. Velho, the poorest man in the group. Look at this starlight.
What's the name of the car again?
Cullinan.
Cullinan.
I think it's Cullinan.
Cullinan.
I think so. How do you open this?
Cullinan.
Oh, lock in. All right, y'all, so we just got here. I'm gonna flip y'all around. This is crazy, dude. Look how many cars there are here. So we got called out. I think it's for a barbecue or just food, but also for this. Look at all these cars. I mean, like, it's just as far as you can see. Ford GT, Huracan, 570, 720, GT3, F8, another 570 over there. I mean, like, when the Cullinan and the Urus gets kicked out the way, you know it's serious. There's so much stuff here. We're gonna start the cars that get kicked out. We have all black GTR. This thing is pretty nice, pretty clean. C8. I've never seen like the red accents on a C8 like this. This is nice. I like this. We have this yellow Huracan. It's been to a few meets. I've already seen this. This Ford GT is brand new. It looks absolutely beautiful. Same owner for that car right there. That's also Joe's car. If you can't tell, his collection's pretty crazy. GT3 looks absolutely beautiful. Powder coated wheels, yellow brake calipers. I'm pretty sure there's yellow accents inside. I haven't seen it yet, but this thing is nice, dude. Probably one of my favorite spec GT3s. We just got permission from our goat to check out inside. Look at this. Oh, there is. Beautiful. I don't want to get his car all wet, so I'm going to close it up. But GT3, I don't know if it's overhyped. I think it's just perfectly hyped. So look at it. It's so beautiful. We have an F8 Tributo, another 720, a Huracan, another 570, Cullinan that we came in, GT3 RS, another 570. This is a California plate. I don't know if bro really came from all the way over there, if that's just like a dealer plate or something, but that would be crazy if he actually drove all the way from California. We have this Aventador with an SVJ style kit, white wheels, white accents, 58. If you can't tell, it is actually all exposed carbon. Looks absolutely crazy. Huge exhaust. That plate kind of gives it away. And then we have this STO. We had this STO, absolutely beautiful spec. I mean, what's the point in not covering it again? Has an exhaust. Again, purple is absolutely beautiful. I'm never gonna get over these wheels. They look absolutely incredible on this car. Just the Huracan lineup over here until the Aventador ruins it. We have this Aventador S, red one. Beautiful spec again. You can never really go wrong with red and black. Another beautiful spec, yellow and black Huracan. Green 570, beautiful. All black Aventador. This is like, I mean, the original Batmobile, you could say, right? Absolutely beautiful car. Another Huracan. I love the orange on these cars, can't go wrong. Green, what the hell? Green. Blue GT3 on the, I don't think that's magnesium wheels, but it has a roll cage, so that means it's a Europe car. Blue 570, actually almost matching specs. Another 570, and then a blue Huracan. People really like their blues here. Oh, another GT3. These two specs are absolutely out of this world, dude. I think that's one of my favorite spec GT3s I've ever seen. That looks crazy. Oh, they almost crashed. And then we have this thing. Matching of this GTR, a really nice, really low, hold on, Audi R8. I'm gonna film before he leaves. Really like the wheels on those. But this all white R34 is where it's at, dude. This thing looks good. This thing looks really good. Look at that. You guys might know him if you're Brazilian. It's Junior Lin's car. I think it's his car, unless he's just borrowing it for somebody. But it looks really good. Looks incredible. I don't know if I'm gonna get over this spec anytime soon. Really beautiful. We're gonna walk right behind him while he's reversing. Sorry. more Porsches. Look, let's ask Pookie a question. Kenzie, what's your favorite car here?
My favorite car? It's gonna be kind of like a bot answer, but probably the GT Ferraris.
Over a 4GT?
4GT is gone.
That's been here.
Oh yeah, definitely the 4GT.
Okay, good. What about you, bud?
The 4GT.
4GT.
I think that's everyone's answer, bro.
Yeah, common response, I guess. I couldn't agree any more with a shirt. That sums up my whole life pretty much. I'm officially a baddie.
Officially a baddie.
This is definitely... Damn. Oh, this plate's Ferrari. I just noticed. Bro, chill. It would have been way cool if there was a different generation for each one, but, you know, can't complain. Holy camera setup. All right, so we just came to our stop real quick at Starbucks. Hi, Pookie. And we just got the keys to the R34. Open the door up. I want to see inside. Ooh. Right-hand drive. Oh my God. You need to detail this car, twin?
Oh hell
Oh, hell no.
Todas essas borrachas, você tem tudo trocado. Todas essas borrachas.
Olha dentro.
A de
Vai lá
fora, a de
dentro.
dentro,
Senta
a
pra
daqui.
dirigir.
Oh.
Senta pra dirigir, não vai dar
Tudo
errado.
trocado.
Hold on, twin. Hold on.
$26 mil só de borracha e trava.
Oh, wait, it's kind of comfy in here. It's kind of tough. Bro, shifting with the left. Oh my God, that's hot. Shifting with the left hand must feel so weird.
Aqui, ó. Do eBay sticker. Nismo.
Fake Nismo. How do I close this door? Oh, stop playing with me. This is tough. Now, the sunset is going to be crazy. Nah, the doors up is tough. Hella tough. Look at this. Ooh. Look at the cars over here. Oh, stop playing with me. Unk is waiting to go. Had to come out of 0.5 for this one. Dude, Unk, can you please get out the way? Oh my God. It's so pretty, dude. Look at that. I hate how the 0.5 and 1 changes like everything so much. But dude, this is crazy. No, this is wild. This looks so good. I don't know if it gets much better than this at Golden Hour. This is crazy. And still, like, out of all these cars, that STO is by far my favorite. That thing looks so gorgeous, dude. Can I help you? Can I help you?
Well.
You ride the short bus, don't you, gang? Excuse me. Look at that.